In this video, I'm going to show you how to find the center of a hole using an indicator. Now, I'm using just a piece of cut off cold rolled steel. That's close enough for the woodworking that I'm doing, but in any machine shop I would not recommend this. It is not accurate enough. You know, I've seen people use dowel pins, which that's better. You know, even better would be an actual gauge pin or a tooling ball. I don't have a tooling ball to show you, but tooling balls are excellent choice. So to start out, I usually bring my spindle and indicator and just kind of try and spin the top of the hole just to get close. So let's get going with that. Okay, so it looks like I'm hovering over the top of the hole decently. So this is when I'm going to put in my dowel pin. And I usually put 10 to 15 thou pressure on the needle. You don't want to go too much. Now, one important thing to note, I always start on one side, and that's where I'll zero the indicator. I'll never adjust the machine from this side. When I flip 180 and 90 degrees to the front, that's where I'll adjust the machine. And then I'll come back to this side and I'll zero, kind of at my starting point. So I'm zeroed now. Let's spin it 180 to start. Okay, so we are negative about 4 thousandths. So we're going to split that in half to negative 2 thousandths on the indicator. And now we'll swing it 90 to the front. And we want to match that with the negative 2 thousandths on the indicator. And now we'll swing it back to our starting position. And that's where I'll zero the machine, not adjust, or that's where I'll zero the indicator, not adjust the machine. Otherwise, you'll just keep chasing. So this is re-zero here. We'll swing it 180. Look at that, right on zero. Right on zero. That turned out really good. Usually it takes me 2 or 3 tries, so this worked out real good. And if you check if you got 3 sides of your pin, because it's a circle, your 4th side will be in too. That's obviously hard to see. Lots of times you can use mirrors to check, but here we are. We are at our center of our hole. So why would you need to find the center of a hole location? Well, I guess it depends on what you're doing. In my applications here, I'm doing a lot of 2-sided jobs where I flip the job over and I use the dowel locations as a positive location. Now in the machine shops I've worked at, lots of times you're taking a job from the roughing machine and setting them up on the finishing machine, and you use them holes to get your job set up to the machine. So I hope I was able to help you figure out how to find the center of a hole. Thanks for watching.